Okay na?
Go.
Happy 68th
Hi.
birthday, kapatid. Sana
Happy
magtagal pang buhay mo para marami ka pang matulungan. At sana maraming birthday pa ang darating sa iyo. Happy 68th birthday again. Yung gift
Hi
na.
ate, happy birthday.
Yung gift na.
I wish you all the best. And the very, very best. Good
Happy
luck.
birthday, ate. More birthday to come and good health always. At sana patuloy pa rin ang kabaitan mo sa amin. Happy birthday ulit, te.
Ulit John, ulit. Happy birthday, Mana. Sana birthday mo ngayon, magkatay sana tayo ng ano? Baka! Yes nga.
Happy birthday, Ate Jess. Happy 60th birthday. Sana good health lagi. At marami ka pang birthday na darating.
God bless.
God bless you always.
Happy birthday to our ate, Manang, our eldest sister, and also our second mother. This is not an ordinary birthday, but a very special, memorable, and a big day for you. As you embrace your most awaited citizenship, your dual citizenship, may your day be filled with love, joy, and happiness. And as also await your third citizenship, you know what I mean? Your Canadian citizenship. I am looking forward for more traveling with you. So enjoy life to the fullest, stop worrying, and stress-free living. Hanggat kaya pang maglakad, travel pa more. May our God sent His angels to set you free from sickness and illnesses, and continue to be a blessing to other people. Happy birthday!
Go.
Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Jess. Sana always come healthy at more blessings to come.
Thank you po sa mga things na binibigay niyo po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Lola Jess. God bless you. Sana maging masaya yung birthday niyo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. God bless you. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year. Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat.
Happy birthday to the most amazing tita. You're such a wonderful part of our lives, and today we celebrate you. May your day be filled with laughter, joy, and all the things that bring you joy. Here's to the fabulous year ahead and filled with endless blessings and happiness. Thank you so much, tita.
Happy birthday, Tita. Enjoy your day. Thank you sa lahat ng blessings. Wishing you a good health and mag-ingat ka palagi. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy birthday, Auntie Gise. Wish you all the best, good health, and sana marami ka pang matulungan, Ante. Thank you po sa lahat.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita. Thank you po sa lahat ng itulong niyo po sa amin. May you continue to inspire those people around you. At isa na po ko dun. May your heart be filled with joy, and I wish you endless happiness and good health. We love you, Tita.
Hi, Tita!
First of all, I want to thank you for all the support and guidance during college days, and I really gained a lot of wisdom from you. And also, thank you very much for treating me like your own child. Aside from a loving tita to all of us, you are also our shining beacon of strength and kindness. And wishing you a lifetime of happiness, good health, and fulfilling experiences. Happy birthday. We love you. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello, Tita. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you all the best in life, Tita, and good health and more blessings. God bless, Tita. And I just want to thank you, Tita, for everything. Tita, kung ano man kami ngayon at asan man kami ngayon is isa kang napakalaking parte nun. Alam mo na yun, Tita, kung bakit, diba? Tita, napaka-thankful namin. And forever grateful kami, Tita, na ikaw yung naging tita. You're such good blessings for us. And tita, thank you for the guide every time. And kahit na mga grown-ups na kami, pero yung treatment mo pa rin sa amin is baby. yung always nagki-care ka pa rin sa amin, tita. And we really appreciate that, tita. And thank you so much. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling pa, tita, kundi bigyan ka ni Lord ng mahabang buhay pa para makasama ka pa namin mas matagal. Tita, wala man kami physically ngayon sa tabi mo para i-celebrate yung birthday mo, but always remember, tita, na lagi ka nasa puso't isipan namin. And tita, hope to see you very soon. And happy birthday, tita. I miss you, tita. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, tita. Wish you all the best. And God bless always. Maraming salamat. Napakabait mong hipag.
Manang, happy 60th birthday. Naway marami pang darating na kaarawan para sa iyo.
Happy birthday. I-enjoy mo lang ang birthday mo. And ano pa bang i-wish namin? Kasi halos lahat nasa iyo na. So ito na lang. 100, ang wish ko is 100 times blessings to come. Yun lang. Happy birthday uli. Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Manang. Senior citizen ka na. Ingat palagi. More blessings to come.
Amen.
Merry Christmas and pasalubong. Okay na.
Hello, Jessie. Happy 60th birthday. Sana marami pang birthdays na dadating. Ikaw.
Hi, Jess. Happy birthday. 60 ka na. Wish ko,
Senior citizen
malakas
na.
ang katawan mo at maraming birthday pa tayong makasama. Love ka namin, lagi kang mag-iingat, and yung mga family mo. Masayang-masaya kami para sa'yo kasi naabot mo yung 60 years old. Sana, many birthday ka pa na makasama ka namin. Miss ka na nga namin eh. Maigit, dumalaw ang anak mo dito, kinuha na kami video. Lagi kayong mag-iingat sa katawan nyo. Di ko alam kung pa sasabihin ko, basta ingat ka na lang. Happy birthday. I love you, Jessie. Ay, kanya.
Oo. We love you, Jessie. Happy birthday na lang ulit.
Amen. Love ka namin. Kasi sila lang kasi nagmahal sa amin dito. I love you, Jessie. Ingat kayo.
Birthday, Tita Jess. Thank you sa lahat na ano mo sa amin. Sana always healthy at gabayan ka ng ating Panginoon. Happy birthday!
Hi, Bes. Happy 60th birthday. Sayang wala ako dyan. Wish ko lang sa'yo good health and happiness always para di tatanda agad. Enjoy your day. God bless and welcome to the club. Alam mo na yon.
Hi Mars! Welcome to the club. Dual citizen ka na. Happy birthday! I hope you will enjoy your vacation in Hong Kong with the family, lalo na kay sa pagkambal mo. Wish ko na good health and happiness. And enjoy your vacation. Happy birthday!
Happy
and
birthday!
Happy Christmas! Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lala. Birthday, Mare.
Taught me everything and everything you've given me. I always keep it inside. You're the driving force in my life. Yeah. There isn't anything or anyone that I could be, and it just wouldn't feel right. If I didn't have you by my side. You were there for me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. You will always be, you will always be the girl in my life for all time. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Ooh, you know I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars. Yes, it is. Mama, I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul.
Hi Mama, happy 60th birthday. And thank you sa lahat ng nagawa mo sa amin, sa aming magkakapatid. Mula nung mga bata pa kami hanggang ngayon, lalo na sa akin na kahit nagkaroon na ng sariling pamilya, andyan ka pa rin handang sumuporta sa akin. Hindi lang sa akin, pati sa sarili kong pamilya. And lalo na nung nagkaroon kami ng problema kay Matthew, yun, hindi ka nagalilang tumulong sa amin. At ikaw yung mama na kahit kailan sabihin mo lang, andyan ka na agad. Thank you. Hirap hindi mo yan. Thank you Mama, sobrang thank you. Mahal na mahal ka namin, mahal na mahal kita Mama. Alam ko, hindi ko madalas sabihin yun sa'yo. Since dito na, I love you Mama. Sana maraming birthdays pa na mapagdaanan natin. Kasama sila Matthew, sila Alicia, kami. At kami. Sana maraming birthdays pa. And more happiness. And sana walang sakit na dumapo sa'yo o kahit sino man sa atin. Sana po palagi kang healthy mama. And ano ba? Mama, I love you. I love you so much. Thank you sa lahat. Kailangan ko kasama. Happy birthday! Let's enjoy this day. Bye-bye. Love you.
You know, mama, you know I love you. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. The queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars.
Hi Ma! Happy 60th birthday to you! Thank you for your unconditional love and support to us. Mahal na mahal kita. May God continue to bless and guide you always. Mag-iingat ka palagi and I miss you so much. See you soon! Mwah!
You were there for me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. You will always be, you will always be the girl in my life for all time. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Ooh, you know I love you, Mama.
Hi Ma! Happy 60th birthday! See you in the next few days! Wish ko Ma, sana good health sa'yo, kayo ni Papa, mag-iingat kayo palagi. And sana marami pa tayong bansang mapuntahan. And praying and hoping na sana next year nandito na din kayong lahat, magkakasama na tayo. And thank you Ma sa lahat-lahat ng sakripisyo, sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin. Wala kami dito sa Canada kung wala yung support niyo ni Papa. Maraming salamat Ma. Utang ko lahat sa'yo Ma. And miss ko na kayo. I love you Ma.
Me right from my wrongs. Yes, you did. And you took up for me when everyone was down on me. You always did understand.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lala. I love you.
What do you want to say to Lala?
Thank you. Play with me. And all your cook.
What do you like food?
Swim.
What Lala cooks for you?
Yes po. Thank you po. I love you. Bye-bye. Tunk. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Lala!
Happy birthday, Lala! I love you! Yay!
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made.
Happy 68th birthday, Ma. Sana marami pang birthday celebration ang iyong malampasan. And God bless you. I love you.